Shravanam Kirtana Vishnu Smaranam Bas. Nothing more is required. As soon as you dilute or add something else, you separated yourself from Krishna. Because there's Sharanagati. Sadvira Sharanagati. And it's many places, even Puranas also. Rupa Goswami mentions in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Sadvira Sharanagati. There are 6 forms of surrender. Goptritre Varanam Tata. Anukulyasya sankalpa, pratikulyasya varjanam. Pratikulyasya varjanam. It's the same as Hindi. Pratikul, that which is against my cool, my family, my cool, or against my being cool. That which is against my pratikul, varjanam, I reject, I throw away. But that which anukulyasya sankalpa, I accept, I follow, I believe, I establish myself in sankalp, I vow to follow this. I accept those things that are favorable for Krishna's toshan. Krishna toshan, Hari toshan, first canto Bhagavad. The Bhagavad Dharma is for Hari toshan, for the satisfaction and pleasure of Hari. Radharani didn't wear kavach, but we see in Govinda Lilamrita that when Yashoda is sending Krishna out for Gocharn Leela, she's chanting some of the Shringar prayers. Maybe even tied in a Shringar Kavach on him. You'll see in the Sanskrit. So there's Anusaran, Anukaran. Anusaran, Anukaran. So, Anukaran means imitation, Anusaran means following. So we don't imitate God. This is Krishna. Well, see, Krishna wore a kavach, so I can too, you know. Well, Krishna lifted the Govardhan, so try it. You can't even lift one Shila. You can't lift one Shila. Well, Lord Chaitanya, he was in ecstasy, so we're Gaudiya Vaishnavas, so that many people imitate. No, this is wrong. So that's why we have the parampara to explain the Shastras and how to behave. It's called achar. Achar means there's prachar, achar. So the acharyas, they speak the Tattva Siddhanta Shastra, then they show the proper maryada, conduct, tradition, behavior, and sadachar, Vaishnava sadachar. The parampara, it's not only a vidya or paravidya parampara, like in the Bhagavad Gita, evam parampara praptam imam rajashayo vidu sakalene mahata yoganasha parantava. So it's the parampara is coming down, a Kshatriya parampara, Brahman parampara. This is the Gita parampara, Gita paramparaya. So the Guru parampara. So it's a parampara of Vaishnava sadachar, of behavior. It's a parampara of Vaishnava tattva siddhanta. It's a parampara of the sadhana bhakti sadhana, the sadhana. And it's a parampara of the sadhya. So we are Gaudiya Vaishnava sampradaya. We are in a Gaudiya Vaishnava parampara. Nityananda Parivar, Advaita Parivar, Gadadhar Parivar, we're coming in lines. So there's thousands of years of behavior behind it. So then we have to follow the Guru. Yasya Prasada, Bhagavat Prasada, no imitation, no duplication, simply following. So everyone's swimming downstream, but they may be going the wrong way, so you have to swim upstream. It's because most fads have become some popular fashion. Underlying it is maybe some good thing, but then because it's the age of Kali Yuga and exploitation, this is the age of heavy exploitation and consumerism, that good thing is kind of become mixed up with consumerism and making profit. Traditionally you get some tamra tabij, small copper container, and you it costs a few rupees, and you put in your prayer, your kavacha, whatever, Gopal Sahasranam, whatever you take shelter of, and tie it with a string around your arm, bas. And then they expand it, silver kavacha, chandi tabish. And if you have kub paisa, then sona, gold one. And now mix and match. Okay, we'll have kavacha and tulsi, We'll have, and then tulsi kanti with the kavach in the middle, chandi. No, let's expand it. Black Tulsi. What's black Tulsi? I've never seen black Tulsi. I've seen thousands and thousands. Black Tulsi means to put in a dye. There's no such thing as black Tulsi. Nowhere. Doesn't exist. It's all cheating. The whole thing is cheating. Prabhupada used to say the cheaters and the cheated. They take the black Tulsi. Black Tulsi, they combine everything. Tulsi, Kavasha, silver, looking cool, stylish. Oh, right. What's the tag? 5,000 rupees. All right, not bad. I'll take one. It's not even $100. Hey, wow, I look smart, man. Oh, you look real smart, you know. Real dumb. Pago. Stupid. Bhakti is not a show. Bhakti is a transformation. Transformation of heart. Cheto dharpana marjanam bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. The bhava nirvapan. This bhava sagar, this forest fire has to be extinguished by pure consciousness. Cheto dharpana marjanam bhava mahadava dava agni. Agni means fire, dava means forest. Mahadava agni. A big forest fire. Nirvapanam. Destroyed, put out, extinguished by Nam. Cheto dharpana marjanam bhava mahadavagni. This bhava sagar, bhava sindhu, this ocean of material existence is like burning ocean. But all around we're being burned and drowned and consumed. We should take full shelter of pure bhakti. Not get dissuaded or diluted or diverted. It's called ekanta. Everywhere in the yoga system, ekagrata. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. And everywhere, we also have meditation in Bhakti Yoga. We have smaran. We have smaran as 5 aspects. Smaran and dharan and dhyan and dhruvana smriti and samadhi. In the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, there's also 5 aspects of smaran or meditation. Our goal is prem samadhi, not brahmasayuja samadhi or brahman samadhi. So we have to follow the process very purely, mixing up all these things. Nityam Bhagavata Sevya. Everybody wants a fast track. Everybody wants a fast track. Oh yeah, some magic potency, some magic formula. Hocus pocus. Can you do some jadoo on me? Can you do some tantra on me and make me invincible? Like Indrajit. Or oh, it's like kind of a demoniac mentality. But everywhere when you read the Bhagavad Gita or the Bhagavatam, it talks about bhakti and pure bhakti. It talks about Ananyas Chintiyanto Mam. 7th chapter of Gita, verse 19, 22. Ananyas Chintiyanto Mam.